Greetings fellow Decepticons, Sound Blaster 1987 here, recording from a new location due to current circumstances. For today's review I have GekiFire, alias for Jungle Master Megazord from Power Rangers Jungle Fury. So, as you can see, here we have Geki Gorilla, Geki Gazelle, and Geki Penguin. These are the auxiliary secondary Zords of the Jungle Fury Rangers when they enter the enhancement form known as Jungle Master Mode. So, starting with the Red Ranger's Gorilla Zord, as you can see, it is a gorilla on roller skates in its traditional knuckle dragging pose. There's a switch on the back which, when activated, will allow the gorilla to move its arms so it can actually roll around on its roller skates. Apologies in advance for headphones users, the gears on this thing are pretty noisy. When the gears are not switched on, the shoulders can move 360 degrees. There's also a forearm swivel, which is more for transformation than anything else. I'll come back to that later. But also the head can move up and down, although it does expose the Megazord face underneath when you do that too much. Moving on, Geki Gazelle, alias the Antelope Zord, belonging to the Blue Ranger. Not much articulation to this one, just a little bit of head movement. The neck can move back for transformation, and the limbs can move forwards and backwards, but there's no knees on any of them, sadly. The gazelle horns are made of a soft, rubbery, translucent orange plastic for safety reasons, so they don't damage anyone or break anything. And finally, the Yellow Ranger's Penguin Zord. Because penguins are too small on their own to be actual Zords while staying in scale to the other animal spirits, it comes with a hoverboard, which it's supposed to be able to surf on as a comedic thing to, display the comedic properties of penguins tobogganing on their stomachs on the ice. The helmet of the Megazord is the front of the hoverboard here. The Penguin Zord has a up and down neck joint, 360 degrees ratcheting of the flippers, and the flippers can also move up and down on a hinge for articulation. There's a flip out peg at the back of a surfboard here that the penguin can clip onto to keep it stabilised while on the surfboard. So, for size comparisons, here we have the gorilla animal spirit next to the shark animal spirit, which I'll cover in my next review. And here we have the antelope animal spirit next to the elephant animal spirit, which again I will cover in my next review. And finally, here we have the penguin animal spirit and its hoverboard next to the bat animal spirit, which again will be covered next time. As you can see, the bat animal spirit's wingspan is bigger than the hoverboard of the penguin. So, to combine these three into the Jungle Master Megazord, first, take the gorilla, remove the pectoral pieces, and attach them to the shoulders, like so. Next, rotate the legs downwards to reveal the ports for combination. Rotate the gorilla forearms outwards to reveal these flame designs in the middle here. Bring the arms down. Split the chest to reveal another fire symbol with glittery stickers, and leave it for now. Next, take the Antelope Animal Spirit, fold the neck up, and bring all the limbs in on themselves like this. Just a second. Sorry about that. The gorilla is a bit top heavy when it's not attached to the others. So, bring the antelope legs in on themselves. And they will lock in magnetically. And here you have one leg. Next, to prepare the penguin leg, remove the penguin from the hoverboard, flip the stand peg in on itself to hide it away, fold the hoverboard in half, remove this piece, flip the penguin's head up, and clip the penguin into the hoverboard. Making sure the flippers are not in the way. And here we have both legs. Next, combine the ports on the penguin and antelope onto the pegs on the gorilla, like so. Fold the gorilla head back and attach the helmet. Because of the way that it's engineered, the helmet will pop up the mohawk fin, flame thing, automatically when attached. And here we have GekiFire, alias the Jungle Master Megazord, completed. I currently don't own the Jungle Pride Megazord, but according to the photos on the box for the Jungle Master Megazord, the leg transformation is compatible with the same combination ports. So if you have the Wolf Animal Spirit or the Jungle Pride Megazord, you can swap the legs around. The gearing still works here as well, although it's still noisy. For size comparison, here we have the Bat Animal Spirit again. As you can see, the full wingspan of the Bat Animal Spirit is still taller than this, but we'll soon deal with that next time. And for another comparison, here is the Shark Animal Spirit standing up. Not quite as tall as the Megazord, but we'll soon fix that, won't we? Articulation is pretty much as minimalist as a Megazord can get, with just 360-degree ratcheted shoulders and a bit of a forearm swivel for transformation. Literally nothing else. So, that wraps up the Jungle Master Megazord. I have been Soundblaster1987. Join me next time when I review the Spirit Ranger secondary Zords from Jungle Fury, aka Geki Elephant, Geki Shark, and Geki Bat from Geki Ranger. Until then, till all are one, and may the power protect you, always.